morning. We are in York and we're off to explore this morning. We're gonna go and find out what there is to see and do in York. Why don't you come along? We are entering the town through High Petergate. When you come in through Petersgate, the very first thing that you're going to want to see or do is visit the cathedral, York Minster. Why visit the York Minster? Well, it's the largest cathedral in northern England, and this particular building has been here for about 800 years, although there has been some kind of building, what have you, on this site for about 2,000 years. And this is such a grand place. Look at that ceiling. Number 2 on our list of things to see or do is the Shambles. This is an ancient street of the butchers of York, and it comes from the name shammel, which is the stalls or the benches that the meat was displayed on. So number 2 on the list, the Shambles. Best things to do in York: wander the streets. I could do this for days on end. Just love it. Number 3 on our list of things to see when you're in York: Museum Gardens. It has all kinds of things like the Art Gallery and the King's Manor and the Yorkshire Museum, the Roman multi-angular tower, the Glendale Tower. There is so much stuff in this one park, the gardens. You absolutely have to make it here. All right, number 4 on our must-visit list is the Jorvik Viking Center. We were here 2 years ago, and it is one of the best. I don't want to call it a museum because it's much more than a museum. Presentation, life. Anyway, it's a fabulous place, and it looks like it's packed. Number 5 on the list, Clifford's Tower. Sitting on its own mound here, and a lot of bad things happened here. A lot of people met their end. There's stairs that we are going to go climb here in just a minute. Well, as I mentioned, this place seen a lot of death and suffering. Back in 1190, the Jewish community was slaughtered here.